By the end of this video, you'll know the basic concepts of value investing. Picture this: Oak Ridge, a city teeming with ambitions and dreams. Amidst this backdrop, Alex, a young go-getter, yearned for financial success. Like many, he sought the key to long-term prosperity. Little did he know that his journey would lead him into the fascinating realm of value investing, a path that would forever alter his perspective on wealth creation. Enter Mr. Thompson, an experienced investor with a wealth of knowledge. Alex found in him the perfect guide, someone who could demystify the secrets of value investing and show him the way. Mr. Thompson began by unveiling the core principle of value investing, a simple but profound concept. He explained that value investing involved buying stocks that were priced below their intrinsic value. Intrinsic value? It's the real worth of a stock, determined by factors like a company's financials, growth potential, and its position in the industry. Alex's eyes widened as Mr. Thompson introduced another essential idea: the margin of safety. Think of it as a safety net. By buying stocks at a significant discount to their intrinsic value, investors create a cushion that protects them from unexpected market fluctuations and potential losses. The journey continued as Alex delved into financial statement analysis. Together, they unraveled balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports. This in-depth evaluation provided insights into a company's financial health, stability, and its ability to generate consistent earnings. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Doubts crept into Alex's mind, questioning whether he had what it takes to navigate the world of investing. Mr. Thompson, a seasoned guide, reassured him. He emphasized the importance of patience and a long-term mindset. Short-term market fluctuations were mere distractions. What mattered were the underlying fundamentals of the companies they invested in. Armed with newfound knowledge, Alex embarked on his own value investing journey. Diligently researching undervalued stocks, analyzing financials, and making well-informed decisions became his modus operandi. This valuable tale shed light on the principles of value investing, estimating intrinsic value, the importance of a margin of safety, financial statement analysis, and the significance of a long-term perspective.